I would like to show you some of the things you'll be learning in our jacket masterclass. This class is fully loaded. You will learn how to make a perfect vent. You will learn how to make a shawl collar jacket. You will learn how to draft a two-piece sleeve. You know, those kind of sleeves you see on suits. You will learn how to make this double-breasted notch collar jacket, bomber jacket, welt pocket. We'll be starting from the very beginning, so we'll draft the basic bodies, the basic sleeve before getting up to this detail. So you're really going to love the class. For all the topics we'll be dealing with in this class, we'll be making use of clean finishing. That means you will be seeing any seam on the inside. Can you see how neat this looks? Look at it, a perfect vent. Okay, so I'll teach you how to make all of this, and the price is incredibly nice, so you don't want to miss this deal, trust me. Okay, so just follow the procedure highlighted in the description box, and you'll be in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in class hopefully.